Hey guys, quick video here. If you own one of the Hamilton Beach microwave and is not working at all for you, the one thing that you can try to do, it's a factory reset. I was looking on how to fix that because I didn't find like you need to press like 2 buttons together or something like that. So what you can try to do, just check if you didn't like locate first. So where you're gonna have the stop and clear, as you can see on the screen, you want to press and hold it if you like mistakenly didn't like locate. This is the first thing. The second thing that you can like try to do is that you just want to unplug it completely. For disconnect it from power, you can like unscrew the cover to access the fuse, disconnect the power, put the fuse back in the brackets, plug the microwave back in. So this is the first thing, or just like completely plug it out for about 5 to 10 minutes and then plug it back in, and it should possibly fix the issue. So have a great day and goodbye.